In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a brochure in Canva. First, open Canva on your browser or app. In the search bar at the top, type brochure. You'll see a gallery of ready-made templates tailored for different purposes, from events to menus. If you'd rather control every detail, you can also start with a blank document and build from scratch. Either way is fine, choose whichever matches your comfort level and timeline. Next, decide on the format, trifold or bifold. A trifold brochure folds into 3 panels on each side, giving you 6 sections to organize your information. It's great for step-by-step content or multiple product highlights. A bifold brochure folds in half, creating 4 larger panels that work well for bigger images or fewer, more spacious sections. Pick the layout that suits your message and the amount of content you have. Now, customize the design. Begin with text and fonts. Click directly on any text box to edit your wording. Swap fonts to match your brand style and adjust font sizes and colors, so your headings stand out from body copy. Aim for clear hierarchy, a strong title, readable subheads, and concise paragraphs. Keep contrast high for legibility. And limit yourself to 2 or 3 complementary fonts to maintain a clean, cohesive look. Move on to images and graphics. Upload your own photos, logos, or illustrations, or browse Canva's library to find relevant visuals. Drag images onto the page and position them where they support the message, not distract from it. Use high-resolution images to avoid blurriness and be mindful of consistent color tones so everything feels unified. Refine the layout by dragging and dropping elements to rearrange the composition. Align items with the built-in guides. Keep consistent spacing between sections and leave breathing room so the brochure doesn't feel crowded. Think about how the reader's eye will move across panels once the brochure is folded. And place key information where it will be seen first. When everything looks polished, it's time to download. Select Share, then Download, and choose PDF Print for the best quality. This format preserves sharp text and clear images, making it ideal for professional printing and crisp results. That's it. Thanks for watching.